Hello and welcome to this short video about the BMW Ix2. So I have a few here in the lot that I'll just show you the color of. So it's a bit cloudy and dark outside, as you can see, but here you can see the colors. So I'll write down in the bottom corner here what color you're looking at. So I do think that the new Ix2 here is a great looking car. I've always liked the sporty looking SUVs like the X6. It's not everyone's taste, so I don't know about this spoiler. Plastic spoiler, not the best premium look. Have a little look at the interior here. So this one is an M-sport model, as you can see on the bumpers and the wheels. So let's move on to a different one here. So instead of black, this is a gray color. I'll write the specifics in the bottom below here. Blue details in the headlights, gloss black throughout. Again, an M-sport model, M-specific wheels, not M-sport brakes, brand new. Still got the transporting tape on it. M-sport interior as well, the curved display and the new M-sport steering wheel. They look great. So this one also comes with the gloss black spoiler, Ix2, and the gloss black rear diffuser. So here you get a profile view of it. It is very similar size to the Ix1. I'll show you one here in just a second. A profile view as well. They are very similar. I think the headroom in the Ix1 is a bit better than this one. So here you have a profile view of the Ix1, and you can hear the seagulls in the back. Same size car, but a different optics. This is also an M-sport, but the Ix2 is a bit more sporty. But other than that, the interior seems to be very similar. But as you can see here from the view, there is a bit more room in the back, and it's probably a bit more practical. So thank you for watching the video. It is a short one. If you want to see the car in more details, please be sure to subscribe and like the video. Then I'll know to do more videos of this kind. But other than that, thank you for watching. Take care.